In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable separate emails in Outlook. If your inbox currently bundles messages into long conversation threads, this walkthrough will show you how to display each email as its own item instead. This is especially helpful if you prefer to triage messages one by one, or you find threads hard to scan. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook site from Microsoft to open the web version. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and sign into your account so you can get to your mailbox. Once Outlook loads, go straight to your inbox. This is where you'll clearly see the difference after changing the view. By default, Outlook on the web may organize your emails by conversation, stacking replies together under a single subject line. To change that, look toward the top area where the view and layout options live. Click into the section related to messages, then move into the conversations options. These controls let you decide how messages are grouped and displayed. If you don't immediately see these labels, don't worry. Outlook sometimes nests them in a small view or layout menu near the message list. Now bring your cursor over the message list itself. When you hover there, additional view controls or a quick menu appear that relate specifically to how the list is organized. This is the area that affects grouping and threading directly. From that menu, choose Do Not Group Messages. The moment you select this, Outlook will turn off Conversation View and unthread your emails. Your inbox will refresh to show every email as a separate entry, with no stacking under a single subject. You can scroll to confirm that replies and forwards now appear as individual items in chronological order. If you decide later that you liked the threaded view, you can return to the same spot and switch back to grouping. Nothing about your messages is deleted or changed content-wise. You're only changing how they're displayed. If the change doesn't appear right away, briefly switch folders and come back to Inbox, or refresh your browser tab. That's all it takes to enable separate emails in Outlook on the web. Follow these steps anytime you want to toggle between a clean, individual message list and a conversation-based view.